In this video, we will make a simple electrical circuit diagram, and we will simulate it using Automation Studio software. By using the Automation Studio software, we are able to build an electrical diagram and we can simulate as well. We will make a basic motor control circuit, composed of start-stop button, magnetic contactor, and motor. First, let's put a 3-phase power source to power up the circuit. Extend the line so we can tap another circuit to distribute electrical current. Now we will put 3 open contact to be used as circuit breaker. Connect each contact in line 1, line 2, and line 3. Let's put another 3 open contact to be used as magnetic contactor. And connect it to the first 3 open contact. Now, let's add 3 overload output components, and tag it as OL. After adding 3 overload components, connect it to the magnetic contactor. Let's put our main output, a 3-phase motor. Tag the motor as M1. And then connect it to the overload. Uncheck other tag name on the same component. The open contact we put for circuit breaker will not activated without coil, so let's put coil in a normally open switch. Tag the coil as CB. Connect the coil to line 1, and the other in neutral line. Let's power on the circuit, and let's see if it is working. Open contact for circuit breaker did not response. It should be close when circuit breaker switched on. Let's off the simulation and check the circuit. As you can see here, a question mark was labeled, meaning, component don't have assignment or tag. This open contact is part of the circuit breaker, so we will link this to the coil. So when coil was energized, open contact will activated. Now, open contact was already linked in circuit breaker coil. Let's simulate and check what will happen. Great, the open contact is responding, the current flow through circuit breaker. Now, let's energize the magnetic contactor to run the motor. We will make a control circuit to energize the contactor. Let's add a normally closed push button for stop, and normally open push button for start. Connect them in series, and tap to line 1. Let's add a coil, and tag as KM. To complete the control circuit, tap a branch parallel to start button, and put open contact. Link the open contact to KM coil, this will serve as holding contact to energize motor continuously. Link also the magnetic contactor to KM coil, so power will pass through the motor. Now, let's simulate the circuit. In Automation Studio, you can add text for labeling the components. You can copy schematic diagram and simulate. And you can troubleshoot circuit problem, without touching the real panel. Click subscribe and notification bell to notify you for latest video. This is Third Martian. Thank you for watching.